Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi! So I'm back again to react to the group Now United. Meet the members from Finland, Joalin. I can't wait to see what she has to say. Joalin, why do that song keep coming to my mind? Let's go, Joalin. Also another place I want to go visit.
Even born yet, and I was in my mom's belly. She used to go to these Afro dance classes.
I can't.
Loud music, and my mom's belly would go like boom, 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 and that was me inside going like yes, yes.
Come through, face.
So I think I was kind of like born dancing also. What most excites me about Now United is that it's something that I was expecting. I knew someday I was gonna be sharing my passion with the world, but I didn't know it was gonna be so soon.
Bass.
Growing up in Finland, I remember the best thing here was it's so from first grade I could go alone to school. So yeah, always after school I would
First grade?
with friends, mom's at work, then she comes back because I lived just me and my mom. So yeah, it was always like fun girl nights with her.
Ta 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 ta
You can
ta.
be yourself.
Yes, you can.
Whoever you want to be.
Whoever you want to be. Be a whole new person. Oh,
I
move to
currently
Mexico.
live in Mexico, Playa del Carmen.
Oh, okay.
Paradise.
Yes, the beach, the water.
It has a lot of history, a lot of culture, a lot of really interesting stuff. As I said,
Come through, Fort.
Like I always loved dancing, but I would say that when we moved to Mexico and I met my stepdad,
Oh.
everything opened up for me. Because I came into this whole new world, like breakdance. I started realizing things that I could do by myself. My parents have a dance school here because they wanted me to have all the right tools, and I get to share my passion with the people I most love.
See, this is the reason why I need to go to a dance class. Flexibility.
Mi papá es una persona increíble. Cuando vi cómo era con mi mamá, dije, no, pues sí, quiero pasar el resto de mi vida con la posibilidad de llamarlos mis papás. Él cambió nuestra vida.
I'm hungry. I want some Mexican food now.
Desde que soy pequeña, siempre viví sola con mi mamá. Y fue difícil para mí y para ella. Tener que ser mi papá y mi mamá al mismo tiempo. O sea, yo me acuerdo que de pequeña yo le preguntaba a mis amigos, ¿cómo se siente que tu papá esté en tu casa? Porque yo no sabía cómo era. Cuando mi mamá se casó y empecé a tener esa vida que todos los demás tenían, todo cambió. Bueno, mi mamá se volvió mucho más feliz porque él me trataba a mí como si yo fuera su hija. Es la persona que más se merece en este mundo que le llame mi papá. Porque un papá es esa persona que te cuida, que trabaja todos los días porque tú tengas comida. Ahora sí pienso que soy una de las personas más afortunadas de este mundo.
It's Now United.
When I found out I was gonna be part of Now United, I exploded inside. I became the happiest person on earth. I feel really thankful to have the
God, I
honor
feel a
to
tear coming.
Finland.
That is some sad story from this group. You and me.
I want them to be able to tell their kids, you know, there was this girl, Joalin, and she was my grandmother, and she did all this, and she did all that, and she changed the world. And it sounds pretty big, but I hate that people have dreams and they don't live them just because they think they can. You need to follow your dreams, you need to do anything it takes to be happy and to live the life that you want to live. You should make that story that everyone is going to talk about.
Now United! By this time, they should just add me to the group. Hi everyone, I'm part of Now United. I'm from Jamaica. Woo! Oh my god, so that was Joalin from Finland, now living in Mexico with her stepdad and her mom. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Joalin, nice to meet you. Like I said, there the future diversity can end the world hatred. Let's all unify. I'm here for it. So I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. However, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you for watching. Bye.